Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be learning methods on solving equation that is involving modulus. And for whoever still haven't subscribed this channel, please do so to stay updated with more videos in future. Alright, now without any delay, let's look at the sample question. Alright, now let's try to solve this question where the question asks us to solve modulus x plus 4 plus with another modulus x minus 5 plus modulus equals to 11. So what I'm going to do here is I will try to move this modulus x minus 5 to right hand side so that it will be easier for me to do the calculations. So let me rewrite it. So modulus x plus 4 close modulus, since I'm going to move that to right hand side, so the one that is left will be equals to 11 minus with modulus x minus 5. Alright, so remember when we want to open the modulus of any equation, we have to split it into two different equations. For example, if modulus x is equals to y, so if I want to open the modulus, it's going to be x equals to positive y, equation number 1, and equation number 2 will be x is equals to negative y. So we'll be having two different equations whenever we want to open the modulus. We need to remember that. So we need to use the same method right now. So if you want to open the modulus, so the first equation will be x plus 4 equals to positive open bracket 11 minus modulus x minus 5 close modulus and close bracket. This is equation number 1. Alright, and equation number 2 is x plus 4 equals to negative open bracket 11 minus modulus x minus 5 close modulus close bracket, and this is equation number 2. Alright, so what we need to do now is let's rewrite equation number 1 and try to open the bracket. If you want to open the bracket, there will be no changes as the sign before the bracket is positive. So if you want to open bracket, the sign usually the sign doesn't change. Okay, so let's solve for equation number 1 first. So x plus 4 equals to 11 minus modulus x minus 5. So I'm going to use the method, the expansion method, the modulus expansion method again one more time, but this time I want to move x minus 5 to be the subject of the equation and move the 11 to be to go to the other side of the equation. So what I can do is I can simply move this x minus 5 to go left so that this negative will become positive this time, and move this x plus 4 to right hand side. So it will be modulus x minus 5 equals to 11, copy back. Since we are moving this x and positive 4 to right hand side, so it's going to be minus x minus 4. So modulus x minus 5 is equals to 11 minus 7 equals to 4. 11 minus 4 equals to 7. So the answer is 7 minus x. Alright, let me copy the same thing for equation number 2 and see how it goes. So now x for this one is for equation number 2. Alright, x plus 4 is equals to, if I open the bracket, it's going to be negative 11 negative, if you want to expand it, it's going to be positive, correct? So don't forget that. So it's going to be positive x minus 5. So the same thing again, this time I no need to move x minus 5 to left hand side as it is already positive. So I can simply move this negative 11 to right hand side. So x plus 4 plus 11 equals to modulus x minus 5. So what I can do is I can simply switch places without changing any sign. Alright, so just swap the positions. So x minus 5 it will go to left hand side, everything else will go to right hand side. We don't need to change any sign by doing this. So copy back x, 4 plus 11 is equals to 15. So plus 15, right? So now what we need to do is again we need to open the bracket. So x minus 5 equals to positive 7 minus x. Another one is x minus 5 equals to negative 7 minus x. One equation will be positive and the second equation is negative. Alright, and let's do for this one. So x minus 5 is equals to positive x plus 15. This is equation number 1. And for equation number 2, x minus 5 equals to negative x plus with 15. This is equation number 2. Alright, so we have 4 different equations to solve right now. So let's solve one by one. So let's solve for this part first. Okay, it's very easy for me now. I did draw a line to separate the one in left and the one in right. Okay, so let's look at the first one, first component. So to solve this, equation number 1, x minus 5 equals to 7 minus x when we open the bracket. So x is equals to, I need to move this x, negative x, to left hand side, correct? To left hand side, and negative 5 to right hand side, so that x and x will be grouped together, and the number will be grouped on the other side of the equation. So this negative will become positive. So x plus x is equals to 2x. So equals to 7 plus 5, which is equals to 12. So x is equals to 12 divided by 2, right? So which is equals to 6. We solved for equation number 1, component 1. So let's solve for the next one. So x minus 5 equals to negative 7. Don't forget, negative, it will be when you want to expand it, negative and negative, it will become positive, right? So plus with x. So when this one, I'll be having no answer for this. Why am I saying this? Because I need to move x to left hand side and negative 5 to right hand side, correct? So x minus x equals to negative 7. Since it's negative 5, when I want to move it to right, it's going to be positive 5. X minus x is equals to 0. So 0 equals to something, even though the answer is negative 7 plus 5, which is negative 2, correct? This is not, negative 2 is not equals to 0. So these are specific answer, we can neglect it. So this specific equation, we can neglect it, no issues there. So the answer for the first component is positive 6. Now let's solve the second component. Alright, for the equation number 1, x minus 5 is equals to, when you open the bracket, you're going to get x plus 15. So x, this thing, the same thing again, x minus x equals to 15 plus with 15, you'll be getting 0 equals to 20, which is not equals to each other, so you can neglect this equation as well. Now let's solve equation number 2 for component 2. So x minus 5 equals to, when you open the bracket, negative x, negative positive is equals to negative 15. So this negative x, when you move to right hand side, is going to be x plus with x equals to negative 15, copy back. This negative 5, you need to move it to right hand side, correct? So it's going to be positive 5, that's it. So x plus with x equals to 2x again, equals to negative 20. So x is equals to negative 20 divided by 2, which is equals to negative, sorry, I made a mistake. It's not negative 20, it's negative 10, because negative 15 plus with 5, which is equals to negative 10. My bad. So negative 10 divided by 2, whereby the answer is equals to negative 5. Therefore, the answer is x equals to 5, and the other one is x is equals to negative 5, and x is equals to 6, and that is the answer for the equation that we saw just now. Alright.